Hello everybody, check it out. There is the Nama Juicer and it's completely changed my just about everything in terms of making it easy to juice and to just live this raw food lifestyle. I've been doing this for almost 30 years and I'm telling you, you never know if something's a challenge until you find something easier. And juicing has always been something I did, but now it makes it so much easier. So I could juice that and leave that there and then juice again. And to clean it takes me less than a minute and 30 seconds. I clean it. So here's what I'm doing now. It's 11 o'clock right now. I don't eat my first meal till noontime, but I will juice before noontime. So I got my juice. Oh, it's so delicious. So delicious. And I also got this, the Astaxanthin. And this is just got that and that. What a great way to start the day. The juicing and the Astaxanthin, the Valasta Astaxanthin. What a powerhouse. And people ask me why I'm successful at all these years of eating raw food. I mean, I just came back from the gym and exercised. I've been up. I'm getting my work done. When you're doing a raw vegan diet, unless you're in a brief detox mode, which it doesn't last for years, it lasts for a couple of days maybe, you should have energy. You should feel great. You should look great. But if you're struggling with it, if you're not doing these things, if you're tired, you're weak, you're skinny, question what you're doing. So here I am doing my juicing, and I might have some fruit in a little while, and then later I'll have a salad, and that's just about it. But if you're sitting there all day eating dried dates and dried fruit, and you're not exercising, and you just I met, or at least I heard online of people that have transferred to the raw vegan diet, or later on they said they tried the raw vegan diet and it didn't work for them. And you have to think, what were you doing that didn't work for you? And I can only base it on my experience because it works amazing for me. So when I hear people say it didn't work for them, I don't think the problem was with the diet. I think it was how they were doing it and what they were doing it with. So I wish I could get my own greens and my own vegetables from my own garden. I grow fruit, not vegetables as much. I mean, I do grow greens in the winter time for my salads, but I did have to buy these beets and celery from the store. So I'm not doing it like I can be doing it and to make it even better. But the majority of food I'm eating is coming from my land, and you know, you do the best you can do with what you got, but you should be feeling better on a raw vegan diet. And things should be improving. If they're not, you know, it's, again, the problem isn't the diet, folks. It's not even a diet, it's a lifestyle, it's a way to live. So when people start saying, well, that diet didn't work, it's not a diet. You're just changing your lifestyle. You're adding more fruits and vegetables to what you're doing. Now, there are some people that believe they need to eat meat. Fine, add more fresh fruits and vegetables. Some people believe they need cooked food. Fine, add more fruits and vegetables. And when you get to a point, though, like for me, if I eat meat, or if I eat processed foods, or if I eat just even cooked foods, my body is so used to this, and I don't want my diseases from the past that were contributed by eating animals and overeating and eating processed foods. I don't want those things to come back. So even if I overeat on raw foods, there's a chance of that happening. So my motivation is that that won't happen. But my desire is that I feel great, look great, and could do just about anything anyone else can do, not have any pain or discomfort, and definitely avoid disease. And that's the situation I've created for myself. Like I said, it's been over 30 years, and you know, no one's completely invincible. Last week I made a video, or 2 weeks ago, that I caught a cold. I caught a cold. So, and now I'm 100% better. But people say, well, you caught a cold, so the raw food diet doesn't work. Really? The raw food diet works. And I think juicing is a big part of it. And when people tell me it's difficult to juice, I have to say it depends what type of juicer you're using. This is worth it. This is the Nama J2 juicer. And for me, the Valasta is just an amazing thing. I wish when I had my illness this was available. It wasn't. But I've been working with a lot of people and I've been giving them this and they've been getting better much faster than they would without it. So I'll put the links below to the juicer and this. But this is a wonderful lifestyle, wonderful way to live. I'm going to finish this juice. I actually got a jackfruit off my neighbor's tree that I'm going to eat here in a little while. I wait till noon before I have my first meal. And that's just about it. And also another big problem people have in this raw vegan diet, I'll say two more things. Besides not getting enough exercise, people don't get enough sleep. They're waking up with alarm clocks, they're not getting enough sleep. This is something I've been working on and improving and even enhancing my lifestyle and feeling so much better when I do get enough sleep and not wake up with an alarm. So that's really important. And the other thing is eating too late at night. I wrote a book called The Daylight Diet. I'm glad I found this one out years ago. Eating late at night will affect your sleep, ultimately will affect your health. So if you're eating a raw vegan diet and you're not feeling great, you're not looking great, you don't think it's working, consider those things. How much sleep are you getting? Are you eating late at night? Are you overeating, eating too much? Consider those things, make adjustments, and then try it again. All right? Put your comments and questions below, everybody. Have a great day and great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.